So Dreamville Fest is canceled, and not only am I extremely sad, but I have to cancel everything. So I literally just canceled our flights, and we don't get a money refund for that. We just get like an online credit, so next time we book a flight it'll be free, or like the credit will just go towards the cost. But we have to do that before May because it's a year from whenever you bought the tickets, and I bought the tickets in May. So I'm also in the process of trying to cancel the Airbnb. I know I'm going to get a full refund because it states anything affected by the hurricane will be refunded. And J. Cole said that the tickets will be refunded for the actual festival. It's all good. No, it's not actually. I don't know why I said that. I mean, at least I'm still seeing J. Cole in October when it comes to Boston. Hey guys, it's Haley, and today I'm going to be starting a college week in my life this week. It's the second full week of classes. I just got back from work, so I worked from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and then I have class at 12 to like 1:35, and then I have work from 3 to 6 again because I do a before and after school program. So right now I'm about to go to ECC to get breakfast, and then once I get back I'll probably have an hour and a half or so to work on some homework because I am drowning. Then I will go to my English class, maybe have lunch, and then go back to work, and then do more homework when I get back. So I'll show you my outfit real quick, but I'm also going to be doing an outfit of the week video this week, I think. So that might also be up. I'll link that down below if it ends up happening. So I'm just wearing this jean jacket from Target. This dress, honestly, I think it's from Walmart. And then my shoes are from Rue 21. This necklace is also from Rue 21. And then like my pearl earrings are probably from like Walmart. So that's my outfit.
What's your vlog?
Yeah.
Is that on camera?
I'm back from breakfast. I'm definitely sick and I've been sneezing. Sorry if I look like I'm on the verge of sneezing. It's because I am. So right now I'm going to do some homework, hopefully, and sneeze like 500 times. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my ring is missing that Brendan got me 4 years ago. The other day I was like out to eat with my grandparents. We were at like Taco Bell, and I just looked down at my hand and I noticed that my ring was literally like just broken randomly. And like I never take off my rings. It's a clatter ring, so like it has the heart and then the two hands holding it, and one of the hands just like broke off completely from the heart in the middle. I don't even know how it happened, but I was just very sad about it. It feels so weird not having it on, but I'm gonna see if I can get it fixed. If you know, like, I don't know how much it's gonna be to fix this. Hopefully it's not super expensive. I obviously need it to get fixed, like, because Brendan got me that for our second anniversary 4 years ago, and it obviously means a lot to me, so I want it back. So it's now Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was literally just so sick. It was at like the maximum sickness of this cold. You know how like you have one day where you're just like the worst and then it gets better. So on Wednesdays I have my senior seminar, which is my English 496 class, and we get a lot of work because it's a once a week class and it's my senior seminar. But I've just been struggling to find time. So last night I had to read the 2 readings, read an entire book, watch a movie, write a paper, and I think that's it. So what actually got done last night was writing the paper, because that's really important because I need to do 8 of those and I didn't do one last week. I read the 2 readings that we need to do, and that's it. So that's all I did last night. Right now it's 10:50. I have class at 12:20. And I'm watching the movie right now. It's only an hour and 30 minutes. As an English major, you have to make sacrifices, and it's just not happening. The movie is based on the book, so I'm hoping it won't be too obvious. That class is super small. It only has 7 people in it, so it's really obvious if you don't do the readings. So I made sure I at least did the little readings, and then I'm watching the movie right now. And while I'm doing that, lots of multitasking going on. So ew, I sound disgusting because it's the morning plus I'm sick, so sorry. So I have to do the discussion points and discussion question for that class as well, which shouldn't be too hard, and then just write down my As I Lay Dying notes. I've just been using Schmoop because I've read As I Lay Dying before, but I just want to have notes in class to like refresh my memory. I have to watch this movie, which I'm doing right now, and then print my essay. It's already sent to the printer. I just have to go down and get it from the kiosk, and I just have the movie on the TV. So I'm out of English, I'm going to my senior seminar, and after that I'm having dinner with Brittany at Bear's Den. I want to get like a salmon burger. I'm literally starving, but it looks like it's gonna rain. It was like kind of drizzling. So we just got back from Bear's Den. They got rid of salmon burgers, and you know, they're just getting rid of everything on this campus, so I'm a little upset. If you come here,
staying here anymore.
yeah. Know what I'm Oh, oh god, I hate myself. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so like at Crimson they got rid of bread bowls.
R.I.P.
Like who does that
every day?
Yes, bread bowls. What else? Someone said chicken fries or something.
Really?
They got rid of them,
And they're so like not eco-friendly anymore.
I know. So my desk lamp was finally fixed. They actually replaced it entirely, and now I don't have an outlet. This was my checklist for up until today, so like everything that was due up until Wednesday. I still have to continue reading Jane Eyre up until 171, I believe. Have quite a journey ahead of me tonight. I just finished reading chapter 2 of this book for my LA 250 class, which is an MTEL prep class. So now I'm just going to be reading this and then hopefully getting to bed at a decent time because I work at 6. Hey guys, so I just got back from my 2 classes and I had work this morning at 6 a.m. I literally went to bed last night at 1:30ish, so I had like 5 hours of sleep, not even. It was a miserable morning. Everything was just going wrong. I'm wearing my jean jacket again. I'm just wearing it with this J. Cole KOD shirt, and like I was just covering it though because I had work this morning obviously, so like it's not very appropriate, especially like the back of it, so that's why I wanted to throw on this just to like show the black. And then I have on some leggings and I was wearing my black slides. I've decided that I think I'm gonna drop a day of work because I've just been struggling to get all my homework done, and right now I'm working 15 hours a week, and I think I'm gonna drop a morning and an afternoon, so basically all of Thursday. So I'm only working 10 hours a week, which would just be Mondays and Tuesdays. I'm gonna talk to my boss about it tonight, but I don't think it should be a problem. I'm trying my best to vlog like as much as I can, but like I said, this morning was, I look like an absolute psycho, but I'm about to head out to Crimson real quick with Brittany to go get, I'm probably gonna get a smoothie. I don't know what she's getting. I already got a pizza like 20 minutes ago. We put up my last year's tapestry behind the TV in the common room. This tapestry is finally up and hopefully staying. Oh, hello. I was just showing, we put up that tapestry from last year that I had, and then that's pretty much it for our improvements. You guys already saw this, I think.
I was like, who is she talking to?
And now we're going to Crimson, get a smoothie, or I don't know what you're getting. Are you getting food?
Yeah, also I wonder where I used to go to school.
20 minutes later.
it's worth it, I guess.
So we just went to Crimson and I finally got my milkshake or smoothie, what I'm gonna call this. Butterfinger, Crimson Twist, try it out. It's a little...
Actually, no, this year is...
Yeah, it has some ice chips in it. So we're gonna do homework now.
We're gonna try.
Maybe I'll probably edit this vlog. Please keep that in. I always trip on my slides, if you didn't know. I'll show our secret spot, but anyone in BSU, don't come here. This is me and Brittany's like quote secret spot. Obviously it's just an open lounge for anyone on the floor or building, but no one really comes in here. They're actually working on the ceiling, as you can see. Yeah, this is where we like do homework and study and stuff, and no one really comes by because it's like the end of the hallway. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my homework and we're gonna do homework. Hey guys, so it's now Sunday. I just got back from home. I went home this weekend to do the walk to end Alzheimer's. I brought back a bunch of like food and obviously like my clothing that's all washed because I'll be staying here this weekend into like next week, so I'll be here for 2 weeks straight. Brendan will be coming over this weekend. I just want to let you guys know that it is official. I'm not working on Thursdays anymore because I know I mentioned that on Thursday, I think, of this vlog. I'm just working Mondays and Tuesdays in the morning and afternoon, so it's 10 hours a week, and I'm actually so excited just to be able to get homework done, which sounds so sad. Right now I'm just gonna be doing some homework. I just decorated the common room for Halloween. I got some stuff this weekend just from like the dollar store and the Target dollar spot, and I did film some clips, but I'm not sure if I'll put it in this vlog or the vlog that I'm starting for next week. So if you didn't see that in this vlog, definitely check out my new vlog that'll be going up after this, probably next weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.